Hi, I'm Brianna Morandi, and I want to tell you guys about a retreat I'm going to be hosting in April of next year. We're inviting you along to spend a week with us in the jungle in Mexico to give yourself an opportunity to reconnect to yourself. This retreat is all about you. This is about deepening your connection to yourself, finding your way home to yourself, getting into the true essence of who you are. This will be an opportunity for you to unplug from all of the different outlets and things in your life that you're plugged into and take that energy and plug it back into yourself, to use it to feed and nourish you. We're going to have 2 daily practices of yoga, open level hatha and flow style classes with a little bit of restorative mixed in. We'll have morning meditation, beautiful food, endless views of beaches and jungle, and plenty of free time for you to come and do whatever it is that serves you to rejuvenate. You can go surfing, kayaking, hiking. You can explore the towns of San Pancho and Sayulita, which are really nearby. This time is yours. When was the last time that you had a real opportunity to just sit with yourself? Free from the distractions, free from the endless scrolling, free from all of that stuff that is external to you in order to be plugged into you. I would love to have you come down and join us. You'll leave feeling rejuvenated, rested, and more completely and wholly yourself, the real and true you.